How to register as a physician in Cankado on the web. Visit the link cankado.com and you can see a page as shown. Click on the icon on the top right corner to select your preferred language. For registering as a new user, click on Register Now. Here, you need to select the user type. Select the option Physician and click on Select and Next. Give your details here. Select your default language. Select your country. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your valid email address. Enter a strong password of your choice and re-enter to confirm it. You can verify your account through EFN verification and manual verification. Select the option EFN verification and enter your EFN number. Then click on Next. You need to verify terms and conditions by clicking on the checkbox and then clicking on I accept. You are successfully registered as a physician in Cankado. Alternatively, you can choose the option Manual Verification instead of verifying using EFN number. Then click on Next. After accepting terms and conditions, you will be directed to this login page and meanwhile, you will get an email informing your account is waiting for the approval. After verification, you will receive an email from the Cankado support team with a link for activation. You need to check the spam folder if you haven't received both the emails in your inbox. Click on the link given in the email and you will get a page as shown. You are now successfully registered as a physician in Cankado.